Your hands. Look. You looked at. Look. You see how the hands are at? Okay. Okay. This guy just keeps guns in his fucking thing. Jesus.
Oh, oh, dude, you killed my only defense and that was my last shot. Fuck, I'm dead, dude.
That's what you
True,
get.
done. God damn it. I gotta put this shit in my... Oh my god.
Oh, that was your only shot, huh?
Yeah. I had one bullet in it. I didn't bring any bullets.
I'm gonna go down
He's
too.
gonna knock you out.
Spam Z.
Nice, nice kid.
Oh. Dude, your hands, like, when you took out the remote, you're like, what the fuck, dude, kind of hands. And you like you looked at the grave, and then you looked at me, you looked back at the obelisk, and you're just like, what the fuck? I was like, what?
It's kind of what I was thinking, like, god damn it. Now we gotta wait an hour till we, lose all this.
It's all good, dude.
Next thing you know, there's gonna be another one, because that's the third one I...
Yeah, there's 4 here.
Fuck. God, this is so annoying.
Yeah. It is.
God damn it, dude. You're filling up my inventory. Oh, dude, come on.
I'm just gonna keep you here for so long. I'm out of breath. I'm so lightheaded. Oh my god. You go.
Takes
Oh
all my
my
shit, leaves all his junk on me. What the fuck, bro?
Here you go. Oh my god. I'm so out of breath. Here. Oh my god. Oh, that's so funny.